Have you ever wanted a clean, fast, and permanent version of Microsoft Office that doesn't constantly ask for subscriptions or updates that slow your system down? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install Microsoft Office LTSC. No confusion, no unnecessary tools, just a clean installation that works smoothly on your PC. But before we start, make sure you follow each step carefully, because missing even one small detail can cause errors during setup. So if you're ready, let's get straight into it. Before installing Microsoft Office LTSC, make sure to remove any previously installed Office version. To do that, open the Control Panel, navigate to Uninstall a program, select the existing Office installation, and click Uninstall. Step 2. Go to Chrome and search config.office.com. Then scroll down and tab Create. Next, check your PC system type. If your computer is running a 32-bit operating system, select the 32-bit version. If it's running a 64-bit operating system, choose the 64-bit version. To check it, it is 64-bit, so I choose 64. Now, select your preferred LTSC version. In this tutorial, we'll choose LTSC 2024. Now select apps you want, but I want only 4, as you see. Select language. Click Export. Choose the second one in XML format. Then click OK. Click I accept. Now, we will back on Chrome and search Office Deployment Tools. Scroll down and click Download. Right-click and run as administrator. Check the button. You can choose any location to extract the files. In this tutorial, I'll create a new folder in the Downloads folder to keep everything organized. Once the extraction is complete, open the folder you selected. You'll see all the extracted files here. Next, create a new folder and name it Office. Then, go back to the folder where you extracted the Office Deployment Tool files. Copy setup.exe and paste it into the Office folder. After that, locate the configuration.xml file you downloaded earlier, copy it, and paste it into the same Office folder. Now, copy the path of the Office folder. Then, open Command Prompt as an administrator, type CD, paste the folder path, and press Enter. Write this carefully and hit Enter after you complete. Wow, successfully installed. Successfully installed. Now let's check all, one by one. It works 100%. I recommend signing off now, as you have been working for an extended period. Now, we will open PowerPoint. As demonstrated in this video, all of the Microsoft Office applications are fully installed and functioning correctly. In general, this tutorial explains the step-by-step process to download and install Microsoft Office LTSC. If you have any questions or encounter any errors during the process, please let me know by leaving a comment below. I would be happy to provide further clarification. Additionally, please let me know in the comments what you would like me to cover in the next video.